I'm Patrick. In this video, I'm going to show our APO's product from the alarm systems, access control keypad, and our latest door contact siren. For the applications in the real world, from home to office, APO provide the protection solutions that fits for your need. We have different types of alarm sensors, and here is the PR motion sensors. We have the wall mount, ceiling mount, and the ceiling flush mount. This is the applications of the alarm systems. If someone comes in with the correct disarm code, the alarm can disarm directly. If someone cannot disarm the alarm, such as the thief, the siren bell will ring and the panel will make phone call to the preset phone numbers, such as management office or the police stations. If someone breaks in, the siren will make a very loud sound to alert the surroundings. This is our latest network access control. We can use the password to unlock, card to unlock, and a fingerprint to unlock. Because it is the network access control, you can check the access record from the personal computer and the mobile app. You can see all the access record here with the fingerprint, card, and the code. And this is the alarm features. And this is the door contact siren for the home application.今日我哋嚟到灣仔嘅 Cyber Vision， 我想問下你哋本身係一間咩公司？另外咧就係你用開我哋公司嘅咩產品，同埋我哋公司嘅產品有啲咩特點咧？
嗱，咁我哋公司咧就係 Cyber Vision 啦，已經開咗咧有22年嘅啦，持牌嘅防盜公司。咁啊 APO 公司有唔同全世界嘅客戶啦，而且 APO 公司喺香港咧係有技術嘅服務嘅。就算客人用緊一啲其他嘅品牌咧，而最後我哋亦都會係用我哋嘅服務幫客戶咧去轉用翻喺香港有代理嘅公司嘅一啲品牌去俾客戶嘅，咁啊可以俾佢哋用得比較可以長久啲咯。
大家好，今日我哋嚟到深水埗嘅華輝，身邊嘅係華輝嘅卡塔。我想問下華輝係一間咩嘅公司呢？
華輝係自於1982年開始專做呢個電子電銷售同埋呢個安全系統嘅一間零售同埋批發嘅公司。
想問下你哋用開我哋公司咩嘅產品呢？
我哋華輝咧通常銷售啲 APO 入邊咧就呢個啲密碼黑卡嘅咩嚟嘅，係啦。
APO 嘅產品同其他品牌有啲咩特別之處咧？
咁 APO 嘅品牌咧，佢個產品嚟講咧，咁對比其他個品牌咧，佢嗰個設計啊，都比較簡單易用嘅，同埋個價錢嚟講，佢都比較大眾咧，比較接受。